Welcome to Brotuned, everyone. Today we're going to use the stock MTR barrel and we're going to try shooting the SK Pistol Match Special through it. Changed up my format a little bit. I'm not going to do the 10 shots at the end. So basically it's going to be 30 shots, 10 to get my zero and foul the barrel in, and then 4 or 5 shot groups. Then we call it quits there. I'm still going to take all the data from the magneto speed and post that at the end of the video, as well as you can watch it right here live and see if something crazy happens. You'll be able to see what the velocity was from that round that the crazy thing happened. If you want to see the video of how I changed my barrel, go to Utreon or Rumble. I'll post them up there. But without further ado, let's get to shooting. So first set, 10 shots are going to be on the center red square, just to make sure that my zero is correct and that the barrel is fouled somewhat for this ammunition. This barrel hasn't been fired in a long time now, so who knows what will happen. Let's see if the zero returns anyway. It's the same as the IBI barrel. It's a little bit bright out. We got a bit of wind from the left to the right, probably 5 miles an hour. Nothing special. Pretty typical for everyday kind of life here. And let's get the shooting. 10 on center. I'm on 15 power on the rifle scope. Let's do it. Cold bore a little left and high. Ooh. Or maybe it's just the way this stuff's grouping. There's our 10 shots for fouling. Top left, first group, 5. Here we go. Okay, the next group's gonna be top right. For 5, here we go. It's kind of bright, so I had to squint with my left eye. I normally shoot with both eyes open, but it's a little hard on them today. And with sunglasses, I don't find I can shoot as well, so here we go. Oh, I pulled that one. Or not. It's the first time that's happened in a while now. Didn't pick up the bullet. I think I might have short stroked it though. To the bottom right. basically did two little groups there. So not too sure, maybe the velocities are a little all over the place, but it isn't the warmest day. It's kind of melting when the sun comes out, but we're expecting a big storm today. Here we go. Final group, bottom left. That looks like a pretty good group. Well, I'll post all this data from the chronograph up now. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope to see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.